My fitness journey continue, no giving up, no surrender. So I've done this before, I don't feel do am before, and I lost 24 kg. But that time was more serious because now between the quarantine season, so no work, no going out, so I have more time to do as much as I want. But now when quarantine don't finish, they will not do for quarantine. I will not pray to even go back and coping with the job, children, family, and all of the activities. I cannot really do much. Even this one on Sunday I to do this one because it's Sunday. I dey work, but I just squeeze this afternoon between the break time to do this one. So I know they usually they use equipment to do my workout. I just do them by myself like this. I know they go deep, but even with me not going deep, I have seen the result. I have seen the difference. I started when I was 105 kg, and now I'm in 100 kg. So after 5 kg down, I would not say that it's not working. It's working, but not just exercise. I eat different kind of way, but sometimes I eat what I like. I will not lie. Maybe that is why the evidence is not that clear yet. So, but I eat what I like. Sometimes I just cover my ass. I beg. I not kill anybody. I will eat. I will eat. But any other time that I'm not really craving of my usual food, I try my best to eat better. Eat vegetable, make some smoothie for breakfast, or instead of eating dinner, I will drink some smoothie to replace my dinner. So that's how I am able to get to this point. So from now on, I will leave you all to continue watching. And please, if you are not subscribed yet, please do it to subscribe, like, click the notification button in case if I drop new video. And from here now, I will leave some music to play while I continue. And thank you all. See you next time.
When the night feels endless and the tears won't dry, when your heart is heavy and you don't know why, you've been walking through shadows, feeling so alone. But hold on, my sister, you're closer than you know. Every pain has a season, every storm has an end. Even broken hearts can learn to beat again. Joy comes in the morning. Don't you lose your faith. After every dark night, there's a brighter day. You may cry for a moment, but it won't stay. Joy comes in the morning. It's on the way. tears won't